The Hiligaynon word halong means take care. Halong. It's a very versatile phrase that can convey various nuances of care and concern. It can either mean take care of yourself, so which is the most direct and frequent translation, so it implies looking after one's well-being and safety. Another definition, it can be careful, so this is implied in maghalong ka, but can be emphasized with phrases like maghalong ka, be cautious. Another one is, it also means look after yourself. You can either say atipa na ang imo kaugalingon or halungi ang imo kaugalingon, means take care of yourself is a more literal way to express this. And lastly, it can also mean stay safe. And this can be conveyed by hindi magpadala sa peligro or don't put yourself in danger or other similar phrases for that matter. We have these example sentences. Maghalong ka pirmi, that means always take care, you always take care. Maghalong ka pirmi, pirmi is like always. So maghalong ka pirmi. Maghalong ka sa dalan, take care on the road. Maghalong ka sa dalan, dalan is the road. Maghalong ka kay gabi na. That means take care because it's already night. Maghalong ka kay gabi na, gabi is night. Maghalong ka gid, that means take very good care. Gid is an intensifier, so you really have to be careful. So maghalong ka gid. Maghalong ka sa imo nga paglakat. So take care on your trip. Paglakat is like walk, so but it also refers to like your trip, like going somewhere. Maghalong ka sa imo nga paglakat. Next, we have maghalong ka, hindi ka magpadala sa katalagman. Take care, don't put yourself in danger. Katalagman is danger. So maghalong ka, hindi ka magpadala sa katalagman. Maghalong ka sa imo mga abyan. Imo nga mga abyan. So take care from your friends or be careful with your friends. Maghalong ka sa imo nga mga abyan. Maghalong ka kay grabe ang init subong. So take care because it's very hot today. Grabe is like really very intense, and then init is the heat. Subong is now. So maghalong ka kay grabe ang init subong. Maghalong ka sa imo nga trabaho, so take care in your work or be careful at work. Maghalong ka sa imo nga trabaho. Maghalong ka pirmi. Maghalong ka pirmi. So that means take care always or always be careful. Maghalong ka pirmi. Maghalong ka sa imo nga pamilya. So it means take or be careful with your family. Maghalong ka sa imo nga pamilya. That's kind of like the translation, maghalong ka sa imo nga pamilya. Nagahambal ako sa imo nga maghalong ka. So I'm telling you, you take care or be careful. Hambal is like tell or say to you, sa imo. Okay, so nagahambal ako sa imo nga maghalong ka. Maghalong ka kay indi manami ang panahon didto. So take care because the weather there is not good. Maghalong ka kay indi manami ang panahon didto. Maghalong ka kag mag-enjoy sa imo bakasyon. That means take care and enjoy your vacation. Maghalong ka kag mag-enjoy sa imo bakasyon. Maghalong ka, hindi ko gusto nga may matabo sa imo. So take care because I don't want anything bad to happen to you. So maghalong ka kay hindi ko gusto nga may matabo sa imo. Maghalong ka hasta sa aton liwat nga pagkitaay. That means take care until we see each other again. Maghalong ka hasta sa aton liwat nga pagkitaay. Liwat is again, pagkitaay is like meeting. So maghalong ka hasta sa aton liwat nga pagkitaay. Maghalong ka sa mga tao nga imo masugata. That means be careful of the people that you meet along the way. So maghalong ka sa mga tao nga imo masugata. Maghalong ka sa imo mga ginabantayan. That means take care of the things you're looking after. Bantay is like the things that you look after in a way. Maghalong ka kag indi magkalipat sa imo mga buluhaton. Take care and don't forget your tasks. Maghalong ka kag indi magkalipat sa imo mga buluhaton. So buluhaton are like your tasks, the things that you need to do. Magkalipat-lipat is to forget, so don't forget. Indi means no or don't. So maghalong ka kag indi magkalipat sa imo mga buluhaton. Maghalong ka kag magpahuway kung kinahanglan. So take care and rest when needed. I like this sentence here. Maghalong ka, take care, kag magpahuway kung kinahanglan. It's so nice, I think. Everyone should know this. It's good, I think. So maghalong ka, kag magpahuway kung kinahanglan. Maghalong ka, kag magpahuway kung kinahanglan.